السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف الحال؟ Alhamdulillah. Can't wait to show you guys something. Alhamdulillah. Winter's here! Winter is here! Alhamdulillah. Snow is so beautiful. Wallahi, أنا جدا أحبك snow. Such a beautiful, I love it so much. Holiday vibes. That beautiful white. Allah, Allah. Beauty of nature. Man, I should have taken the golds off. Now they're being beautified with the flakes. Gotta take them off, or it's too late. Allahu Akbar. Brothers and sisters, I came out here, yes, to move my car, but also to do an MOTD for you guys, because I love all of you for the sake of Allah, because I need that motivation, and I know that you need that motivation. Just a few weeks ago, maybe just last week, we had our windows open. You know, the weather was beautiful. And just as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala changes this weather for us, as I've talked about in my previous MOTDs, the message of the day today is that just as the weather dramatically changes, our situations change, our life changes. Experiences that come into our lives change our minds, changes our attitude, changes our emotions, our feelings. These changes in our dunya are inevitable, and they're consistently going to happen to test us, to test you and me. That are you and I truly who we are? Are you and I truly believers? Do we have the strength to remain strong on the iman no matter what happens? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send individuals to our lives to test us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send us experiences and situations to test us. And our life will inevitably, continuously be changing. Check out that Jeep. Our life will inevitably continuously change. Our feelings will change. We will consistently go in and out of states of happiness and sadness. One day you will be so filled with pleasure. You will be cheesing. You will be cheesing. Like that moment you get off a plane into a new country and you're cheesing. You smell that fresh air of that new nation, and then the next day you get food poisoning. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Our situations are always changing, always changing. So my dear brothers and sisters, La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not test you and I more than we can bear. Be prepared. Be prepared to be tested, but know that He is the provider. He is the one that does not test us more than we can handle. He is the best. He is the best one that can take care of our affairs. Guys, stay safe. Enjoy the snow. Build your snowmans. Snowman. And until the next storm. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The goal does not want to get up the driveway. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I gotta sell these wheels. I can't let them go bald. Bismillah, bismillah. Alright, we got it. Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, I just had to enjoy that hot cup of cocoa after being outside. If these reminders and if these motivational messages benefit you, I welcome you to check out my YouTube channel. Definitely consider subscribing, comment, like. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this reminder. And most importantly, if these reminders benefit you, definitely consider sharing them with somebody else that could use motivation. During a time like this when everybody's locked up, motivation is key. We all need it. I really appreciate your support, and I truly cannot wait to continue making more motivational messages for all of you. Jazakallahu khair. Please remember me, my family, and the ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in your du'as. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.